Hey guys, good morning. I just wanted to update you guys on AMC. All restrictions have been lifted fully on Robinhood, so now you can purchase as many shares as you want on AMC and GameStop. Currently, right now, I am down about $14,000. Um, if I don't think AMC is going to recover. I do think AMC is going to. I don't think it's going to zero, but I don't think it's going back to a place where my calls can actually make any money, right? So if anything, at open, I probably might sell these calls to at least you know get $110 of value, or at least $100 out of the way. I'll probably sell the calls and stuff, but or I might hold until like midday or something at least, right? Because you never know, AMC might jump up for whatever reason. But I do think AMC is not recovering. I do think AMC is going to stay in this level at around $7, or maybe even go lower. I don't think it's going to recover at all. There wasn't a huge pre-market jump towards the upside. There wasn't a huge pre-market jump for GameStop either, so I really doubt that AMC and GameStop are recovering. So I'm going to eat the loss, right? I'm eating this loss, but the good thing is that we made a lot of money on GameStop last week, so this loss doesn't really hurt as much. This is basically just playing with with free house money, right? It's basically playing with all profit, so it doesn't hurt. I mean, the 14K loss doesn't really hurt because it's not money that I had in the first place anyways. But yeah, AMC, just looking at pre-market moves, momentum, nothing's going on. Nothing is going to happen today for AMC or GameStop. We're not going to have a gamma squeeze. We're not going to have short squeezes. I personally will be getting out of GameStop and AMC altogether. I don't think anything is going to happen with these companies anymore. Nothing is going to trigger their short squeeze. Nothing is going on. They've already fallen way too much for there to actually be anything. GameStop is at like $50, which I doubt that. I don't think there's gonna be enough momentum and hype to where it recovers from $50 back to like 600, right? And even right now, as I'm talking, AMC is going downwards, as really bearish still momentum, right? So I do think that AMC and GameStop is completely done for, in my opinion. If you guys have if there's other people who are telling you like, oh, get in GameStop, get in AMC right now, it's all good. I strongly recommend you guys ignore them because you guys are gonna lose money and they're probably holding bags, right? I am not holding bags. I'm holding calls, right? Like I'm not holding shares. I don't need to. This money is going to waste, right? Basically, this 14K is gonna be worth absolute zero after today because I'm holding calls that expire today. So I'm gonna be completely honest with you. AMC is dead. GameStop is dead. No one is gonna. No, there's a big chance that GameStop goes back to like 200, 215 because there's a gap that needs to get filled. Other than that, I think GameStop is dead. I think AMC is dead. I think it died last Thursday when the momentum was cut, when the hype was cut, and that's it. I really doubt that we're gonna get enough hype and momentum for AMC and GameStop to rally again. So, I'm just letting you guys know what I think, my opinion, and if there's other traders that are telling you guys like, hey, just keep holding, we're good. I mean, if you guys are holding shares, fuck it, just hold their shares. They don't expire, right? Just keep holding it. Shares, it doesn't fucking matter, but strongly recommend you guys move on from AMC and GameStop. I'm moving on. Like there's no reason to even play this anymore, right? There's no reason to play anything from GameStop, anything for AMC, unless you believe in AMC the company, which I still do. I love the movie theaters and stuff, but just wanted to update you guys on my position. It's gonna be like a 14K loss or so. Complete loss, right? Expiring worthless. But yeah, I think the whole AMC and GameStop thing, all the hype and momentum, that died last Thursday when everything got halted. So I need you guys to know that that there's no momentum, there's no more hype on these plays anymore, right? So that's basically it. I'm gonna cut the video there.